Good morning, all souls. It's good to see everyone on this Wednesday morning. I got this book, the book I use at school, with me today. So today we celebrate the solemnity of the Annunciation of the Lord, when the angel Gabriel came to Mary and asked her to be the mother of the Savior. In this we see how God prepared for her son Jesus to be born into the world. Think about this silently in your heart. The angel Gabriel told Mary not to be afraid. Can you find strength in those words when you have to be courageous? How can we be courageous today? How can we not be afraid? Most holy God, because you love the world, you sent your son Jesus to become one of us. We thank you for Mother Mary, who is a model for us. May we trust in you and always try to do your will. God, help us to be not afraid. Be with us always today in our studies and with our families.
En el nombre del Padre, el Hijo y el Espíritu Santo. Amén. Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino, hágase, Señor, tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día y perdona nuestras ofensas como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en la tentación y líbranos del mal. Amén. En el nombre del Padre, el Hijo y el Espíritu Santo. Amén.
And we have some birthdays today. I want to wish Aaron and TK Spanish a very happy birthday. And also Dr. Joe Vivo, our school counselor, is celebrating a birthday today. Birthday high fives. Hope you all have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friends. Happy birthday to you. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos a ti. Que Dios te bendiga. Cumpleaños feliz. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
我们是上帝的孩子，我们是老师、学生和平的使者。我们能够注意安全，亲切有礼，解决问题，做好的选择。